Hi there, students. Beyond repair. So thank you, Ronan, for this idea. Okay, if something is beyond repair, it's irreparable. It's saying that it's not possible to repair it. So his health has been damaged beyond repair by smoking the whole way through a lifetime. Okay, so if something is beyond repair, you can't undo it, you can't bring it back. It's just completely beyond repair. The car was broken beyond repair. Well, I think perhaps a car is not beyond repair, but it's beyond economic repair. It means that it will cost you more to repair it than it would to buy a new one. And in this case, the insurance company would write the car off. If you write something off, you write its value down to zero in the accounts, or you reduce its value to scrap value. So the car was damaged beyond repair, and the insurance company declared it as a write-off. It's cheaper to write it off than it is actually to repair it. There was a terrible storm, and various houses on the coast were damaged beyond repair. They were unmendable. It was impossible to mend them. Or maybe again, it's not impossible to mend them, but it would be much cheaper just to knock them down and build a new house. And this is the idea of something that is beyond repair, something that is irreparably damaged. It doesn't have the possibility of fixing. There was no oil in the engine, and the engine was damaged beyond repair. It was something that could not be repaired. So the marriage was beyond repair. I think that's what they call irreconcilable breakdown of marriage. The friendship was beyond repair. Do you think the damage that humans have done to this planet is something that can be repaired, or do you think it is beyond repair? Something that is irreversible. Yeah, it can't be put back the way it was. The damage to the roof was beyond repair, and it needed a new roof. Okay, so beyond repair, it's saying there's no point in repairing it. The relationship between the two countries is beyond repair, and I think it is inevitable that war will break out. Okay, so to such an extent that it's not possible to repair it. So in many things were damaged in the fire, and we need to throw out anything that was damaged beyond repair and donate or just sell the rest of it. The patient had been in a wheelchair for so long that his muscles were completely atrophied, and many of them were beyond repair. There was nothing that could bring them back. So something that is damaged beyond repair, maybe radiation, breaks up our parts of our DNA beyond repair. This is something that the immune system cannot bring back. It cannot repair. And this is this idea of beyond repair, something that has gone so far that There is no way back. It's irremediable. It's a hopeless situation. So the gearbox was damaged beyond repair. We needed a new one. The building across the street was burned beyond repair. His health was damaged beyond repair. The equipment was broken beyond repair. There is no doubt that the marriage is beyond repair. There's nothing that can be done to bring it back. Yeah, it's unde-effable. Okay, beyond repair, formality. Something's beyond repair, 5 in formality, use anywhere. So, beyond repair. Bye for now.